Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping options. So how to set up shipping options. Where do you need to go on Hostinger to set up shipping options? So what you're going to have to do here is to click on edit website. So click on edit website, and then once we click on here, please click on online store. From here, manage store, and then once you click on manage store, please select settings, and then from here you have shipping, and here you can create zone. Then you can add your countries, you can save, and then here you can add shipping options. You can add conditions for order price, for price order, for order price, minimum order price, maximum order price. You can add the shipping rate and the name. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.